Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A moderate cold front moved over parts of the Western Cape today, bringing wintry weather to Cape Town and the surrounding areas. And although the front is now moving inland behind it, showers are still pushing in from the Atlantic Ocean. Ahead of the system, there was impressive looking high-level cloud affecting some areas over the central parts as well as the Eastern Cape and some parts of southern KwaZulu-Natal. For Tuesday, there will still be a few morning showers in the far western parts, but those will be clearing fairly quickly, while a band of isolated thunderstorms are going to spread across the central interior, reaching Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga and all across KwaZulu-Natal during the afternoon as well as the evening. If we take a look at the temperatures, we see that it's going to be a very chilly day for the Northern Cape, a wintry day for the southern parts where temperatures are going to stay below 15 degrees Celsius. And in the Western Cape, it's also going to be a cool day. Even though you'll see some sunshine, temperatures stay below 20 for the afternoon. Heading over the border into the Eastern Cape, we see similar temperatures, 16 for Graafrenet and Somerset East. Port Elizabeth, you could have a few showers and a high of 18. It's also going to be windy in your area. A few thunderstorms possible for the southern Drakensberg as well as extending towards the Wild Coast in the Eastern Cape. And for KwaZulu-Natal, many areas start the day off relatively dry, but the wet weather is going to be spreading from the south northwards, reaching Newcastle and Vryheid during the late afternoon and evening. Some of those showers and thunderstorms could also reach parts of Mpumalanga, but for the Lowveld, it's going to be a dry and fairly hot day. Some places are going to climb into the low 30s, and we see similar conditions from Musina through to Phalaborwa in the Lowveld, while for Polokwane, it's going to be a mild day, 24 as your maximum. Thunder showers are going to be spreading across the northwest, reaching Zeerust as well as Rustenburg, although they will be isolated. And in the Free State, we're going to see a big drop in temperature with 14 degrees as a high for Zastron. A few showers possible for Bloemfontein and a maximum of 17 degrees. And finally for Gauteng, it's going to be a gusty afternoon in the province, and at the same time we could see a few isolated thunder showers bubbling up, and those could last well into the evening. And there we can see those winds for Johannesburg at 30 kilometers per hour, while there will be a fresh to strong wind for Port Elizabeth coming in from the west. Wednesday will be dry for most of the country, but there could be a few showers for Richards Bay as well as Bombela. But things change quite a bit on Thursday as thunderstorms return to Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga, and a strong front is going to be approaching from the Atlantic once again, bringing more wet weather to Cape Town.